to death right now. Dang. Watch where you're going, baby. You're getting in the other lanes and shit. You're getting on all the other lanes. You're all over the place. Looks like it. Just watch that road. I know, you just watch that road. Them hydroplanes scare me more than anything. And these cars beside us, that scares me too. This is us driving home and I'm scared shitless right now. Yeah, should we pull over? For real. It's scaring me, Raymond. I'm scared. Like, for real, I'm scared. Huh? It is fucking poor. And lightning and fucking hydroplaning. Got that water. God, please get us home, baby. Please get us home. I'm scared. Hey, brother, I'm scared. This is the only reason I know I'm not gonna die right now. It's this baby right here. This is my hero. Alright, you can turn the light back off. For real, that is the only thing that is keeping me safe feeling right now. Yeah, but you can't see us good with that light on. Turn that light off. We got good tires on this thing. We do. Closer to home, thank God. I mean, this is crazy. What are you doing? You're getting me all wet. Scariest ride I've had in a long time. Starting to slow down a little bit, I guess. Starting to slow down a little bit. My hero right here. Right here. This is my hero.
Hero.
My hero. Don't do that to me. I was saying how you're my hero.
I love you.
That is my hero. For real. My hero. Point blank period.
I love you, honey.
My husband, my hero, my everything. And that is my everything. I mean that.
Alright, I'll cut the lights out now. I love you too.
I love you.
You're my princess.
And you are my prince. If I was riding with anybody else, I'd say drop me off and I'll walk. Promise you that. He even got me another McDonald's cup. Yeah, I'm feeling safer now. It's like it slows down for a second and then it goes back up. You know it? See? There's that lightning. Let me turn the music back on. Rhyming. It's that old school, baby. We are so close to home. There's nobody in this world I would trust like this. I'm telling you. Nobody in this world. Because I know he would never ever let me get hurt. Ain't that right, baby?
Right. That is right.
I feel like we just drove through a tornado. Alright, I'm gonna stop it now because we're almost home. So we made it home. So say bye-bye, baby. I love you.